2 days, one powerful experience. As we reach day 2 of Drone Expo 2026, the journey has been truly remarkable.
It's day 2. Day 2. It's day 2.
We have witnessed a strong showcase of innovation, live demonstrations, and industry engagement across every stand. This platform has brought together ideas, markets, and opportunities all in one place. If you missed attending, we look forward to seeing you in New Delhi this September.